I am today, since I'm going to change the oil on the H2. Yeah, there you go. So, should be an easy process. Not too bad, I mean. Drain plugs right through. And the oil plugs right there, or the oil filters right there. See it? Yeah, you can see them in camera. So, rather simple, rather straightforward. We'll do that because I don't remember last time this thing's got an oil change. It's been a while. So let's get to it. Alright, so for this job, we will need my Audi kit at an 8. And we have our Kawasaki supplied full synthetic 10W40. And we have our Kawasaki oil filter. So, make sure that fits on that guy. Go, no play. Yep, we're good. It's an 8. So, pretty much the rest of the job's pretty straightforward. Unscrew that screw. Let that oil drain. And then I'll have the wife come out and we will set this straight up and I'll fill it with oil. Make sure I have the right amount in there. Since my phone is, or since my stupid camera's not working, I guess I'm gonna use my phone. Come on. Break. Oh, there we go. Alright. See if I can do it without getting my hands oily. Right. Oh, no. Oh, ah, damn it. I tried. I tried and it failed. It was not too dirty, but could use a cleaning anyway. So we'll let that drain. I didn't see anything, yeah. That's alright. Let that drain. And then I'll take this side cover. Take this cover off to get to that filter. Alright, so the engine oil is almost done. Got a 3. It's in there just by hand, I guess. Gotta be careful with it, but yeah, 3. I'll take that out. Give me easy access to the oil filter. So you need an 8 Allen and a 3 so far. I think that should be all because there's no belly fairing. Ah, son of a bitch! I would do that. Whoa! This will be fun. Time to go swimming. Anywho, so I'm gonna take this guy off. 2. Okay, that one wasn't on, so that came off rather than what you should have, but clearly you should have seen that there was one more bolt that should have came out. It did not, so now that that's off, I can get to the oil filter here. So now I got my little universal oil filter remover doohickey. This guy off. Put this guy on. Clamp it on there. There you go. Don't fall in the oil. Go. Oh yeah. There's more. It's just never ending oil, just draining. Shouldn't be too much though. Go. I want that drain. Let that sit. Alright, well, I let it sit for a little bit. It continuously dripped. It's still dripping a little bit. But for the most part, it is cleaned out. I mean, done dripping. So, I got the new filter. so much harder with one hand. Cooperate with me. Ay, ay caramba. Okay, there we go. There's that. The old filter. Pour a little into. It's gonna flip. Okay, I guess it flips. Pour a little bit into the old filter. Don't need much. There we go. We'll take this and we will coat the outer ring. And I'll put it back in after I dry my hands off. Because, well, we'll throw that back on there. I don't know where you're at. Can you see it? Can you dig it? There you go. Get that hand tight. There we go. Hand tight. Now I get the screw, nut, whatever you want to call it. Throw that on here. Make sure it's nice and snug on there so it doesn't fall out on me. I feel like going fishing again. So much oil. This is why you need a stand. Alright. Make sure to tighten that up. Not too tight. There we go. And now we can essentially throw oil in there. Put oil in there. Just right there. Just gotta unbolt that. And then I'll have the wife hold it up so I can make sure the oil is getting in there. Alright, back to drawing board. Alright, so pull this guy off. It is a 10 mil Allen. Eventually you'll see it. Ha-na-na-na-na-na. Boom, son. Nice and snug. Go. He's so dry in there. Alright, so like any standard bike, you've got the low and the high, which is where we want it. I just need the wife to come out, level this bike off, so I can fill it up with my oil. Bloop, 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 bloop. Alright. Alright, so I had the wife help. She stabled the bike. Now I just put these guys back together. Much work in the reverse order. Simple enough. I clean that off, clean that off. There we go. Alright, now work on the other side. What? Alright, well I let the engine run a little bit, kind of recirculate the oil, and now let it sit for like 5 minutes, make sure the oil went everywhere, and then double check, make sure everything's all copacetic, because right now I got nothing. So we'll let the oil circulate, come back down, and we should be good to go, and That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you change oil on an H2. Till next time, goodbye!